In our world, we need trade more than ever. Trade leads to development, both socially and economically. Trade leads to jobs, giving us better opportunities in life. Trade leads to welfare in our communities. We often receive products from all over the world. But what we must be aware of is that behind production, there can be children at work, avoidable accidents at work, and millions of people who don't receive the legal minimum wage, to name but a few. It's increasingly important for all types of companies to know more about the products they sell. Where have the products come from? Under what conditions were they made? And how were the people treated who made these products? However, trying to find the answers can be difficult, and doing something about it is even more of a challenge. It can be a long and lonely journey for companies individually. BSCI is an initiative that gathers hundreds of companies together around one common code of conduct in order to help them gradually improve working conditions in their supply chain. We offer our participants a system to monitor the working conditions in the factories or farms of their suppliers. This is achieved through audits. BSCI audits are shared in a common database among all BSCI participants. This reduces time, costs and effort for both company and producer. Auditing is not enough to improve working conditions. We need to empower our participants and their producers in order to create a sustainable change in workplaces. BSCI provides hundreds of workshops for its participants and their producers all over the world, tackling local issues in local languages. Through these workshops, BSCI is reaching out to thousands of factory and farm managers to raise awareness of labour issues and tackle improvements at the workplace. We believe it's crucial to engage with stakeholders and other initiatives. Solving non-compliance issues alone can be a big challenge, so we cooperate with stakeholders including governments, trade unions, NGOs and business associations. Labour issues are complex, so through sharing ideas and opinions, we can work towards better solutions. BSCI unites companies in an effort to improve working conditions in the global supply chain. Join us. Together, we can make change happen.